What's going on, friends? Rich Discoveries coming at you with another one. It's an old mill we did like 2 weeks ago or so. It starts with like the powerhouse for the mill itself, and then we get into the mill. Then we get up into higher levels of the mill, and then we get into, I guess we used to be a scrap shop of sorts, whatever, and it's a machine shop, all types of cool old stuff in there. It's kind of long. I was going to make a two-part video, but I got a bunch of stuff I got to get out, so I just put it all together on one. Check it out. Watch the whole thing if you want. If not, skim around. Find interesting parts while I seem to have hair on me. But regardless, it was pretty cool. Like I said, I just put it all in one because I got a bunch of stuff I got to get out. The last few weeks I've really been getting out there filming stuff, and I want to get it out there and I want to share it. So hopefully you enjoy this one. I love old industrial. This is definitely old industrial. It's got where the train used to come through and everything. I thought it was really cool. So come hang out with us, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as I did. This thing's cool looking too. Got some gauges on the wall. Let me get out of here. Look at this thing, huh? And there it is. Isn't that beautiful? See, from the other side, it's kind of hard to see here. Bench over here. Still really cool. Old wooden floors. Hope they're solid. They don't feel like they're moving much. As soon as I say that, I find a loose one, right? Whoa. Little chair. Tiles. Oh wow. What's back here? Bathroom, possibly? Do not use. Oh yeah. I like the way this little wall looks here. Old windows. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is the room we were just looking at. Those the old metal blinds? Yeah, they are. Oh, no way, look at this. Not that exciting, but it's an old cabinet. Pencil sharpener, I got one of those at home, just like that. Is full of them. That's freaking cool. Sorry about the lighting situation. A bunch of stuff. Let's see if I can back up. Wow. I love it. This place is beautiful. It smells like oil. It has that old factory smell to it. Paperwork over here. Whoa. Look at this. 1958. That's freaking cool. There's a bunch of it. Leave it there. Another workbench. Guess we passed it before, but look at this. Look at the old light. I didn't even notice that. A little harder to see, but more equipment here. Yeah, look at this place. Holy crap. Beautiful. Gantry crane. A little ladder. You think what I'm thinking? Go up there. The place is massive. Oh, stairs over there. Oh wow. All the old doorways and stuff. Pretty wild. Look at that. It's huge. There's some offices over there maybe. I think some offices up there too. Let's grab a look. cool looking room. It's green. I dig green. Room over there. Some offices on the other side too. As it turns out, the gimbal died. So we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. I'll charge it when we get to the car. Wow, what a massive complex. Huh. Looked like I saw some more offices over there too. Is that what that is? Or does it go outside? It might go outside. The old building is no longer there. The old crane back there. I have little offices. Nothing major. Sounds like a truck out there. I don't know about those stairs. Oh, there's another crane? Yeah. I don't know what this is. Measurement systems. It's extremely cool looking. Let's look at the sheer size of this place. Look cool up there. Something on wheels there, huh? Oh, it pivoted. That whole bar swung. Now look at that crane. I think it's massive. This old stairway going up to it. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to. Probably the operator's booth right there. Look how massive this hook is. 15 ton. Look at the paint peel on the bottom of it. Yeah, looks like it ran the length of the building there. That's a cool shot. And the train itself came right in here. Look at that. How cool is that? A little slope for the train to come up. That's cool. Let's see where these trains used to go. Looks like used to be able to park on the side. Yeah, park the train over in the corner. Oh yeah, huh? I wonder when the last time these tracks saw action. Look at that, huh? I don't know about these stairs. Is it just storage up here? Oh no, it was an office. Alright. It's destroyed, but it was an office. A ladder back there. It looked like there's nothing up there. Oh, more cranes. Things are everywhere. How massive this place is. We're at the end of it, but oh, look at old brickwork, huh? The old windows. I wonder if that originally was probably the side of the building, and then they added this on. I'm thinking maybe these were big windows. Yeah, there definitely was windows in them at one time. You can see it's all concreted up where they took it out. Oh, such beautiful brickwork here. My God. Yeah, just how massive this place is. I know we keep saying it, but wow. Going slow, trying to take it all in. Now I'm looking at these old windows. This one was a doorway. You can see that one's got the beam in the center of it. Probably a window up top and a door here, but look, it's got the stops on the bottom. So vehicles don't hit it. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, and the window's still up in that one. Glass is broke, but it's still there. Yeah, an abandoned camper office. It's an abandoned building inside an abandoned building. Ooh, a calendar. It's got a date. Looks like 2010. They probably last used this then and parked it back here, and probably been sitting in here for 13 years. Can't get over how gorgeous that brickwork is though. that crane there, and the one behind it looks a lot older. See if we can zoom in on it and get a little closer for you here. Yeah. Looks like there was offices here at one time. Oh, look at that color up there. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I wonder if you can still get up there. I don't know. Let's find out. Here's that office. Oh yeah, we can get up there. Right here. Nothing in the bottom. Probably nothing in the top either. Yeah. I think I'm gonna. I love that blue. Yeah, look at that color. It's dope. Oh, I'm not going in there. Definitely don't want to go in it. That's a shame. I wonder what that calendar right there says. See if I can see it. I'm not going in there. The floor is obviously collapsed. Can't make out the date on that calendar. Damn. It's really tough to tell. Looked like it said 91. 90 something. Definitely been a while though. And unfortunately, I'm not getting a chance going over there because look at the way the whole, well, even this floor is kind of buckling. Yeah, see the way the whole thing just drops out. That's a shame. When it came up even higher, there's a door there. And that's the way to it. But I don't see, it looks like it just goes back out to the factory. Or the machine shop. Yo. The floor is not happy right now. Yeah, I'm definitely not got a chance. There's holes everywhere over there. Brickwork's gorgeous though. Alright, I'm going back this way where there's floor. Hopefully. There's stairs over there. Yeah, crane cabs, okay, alright. Let's see what this has to offer. I see some stairs that are no longer stairs. Stairs up top, not stairs down below. Climb the shelving. I'm good. Probably more offices up in there. This got completely destroyed, huh? Somebody ripped the wall out of it. Oh, there we go. Nah, it doesn't go anywhere either. What's in here? Storage room? Might have been. Alright, I found another calendar. 1990. So that lines up with the one that I thought looked like it said 91. Set up. Probably should be holding on to this one. Oh, okay, here's the part I wanted to get into. Yes. Old fan. Workbenches here. Oh yeah. Work lights. Yeah, look at these windows. It's gorgeous. Old switch panel. Yeah. Yeah, look at this place from up top. Wow. That's freaking cool. Let's see what's in here. Oh good, steel floors underneath the wood. I like that. More shelving. Oops. Yeah, all equipment. Wow, look at that, huh? Hell yeah. There's racks and racks of boxes of what used to be stuff. Looks like there was windows here too. Oh, probably because this was the outside of the end of the building. And then they built another building next to it, which is now gone. We're up even higher. Look at that, huh? It's an amusement ride for the employees when they're bored. Let's go get a look at it. How do these stairs look? Good enough. I want to see that thing. Dude, that thing is wicked. Look at it. Oh man, I used to that little cabin, little cab to drive the crane in, huh? I don't know about these stairs. They're flexing and moving and All right, we gotta go back that way. Here's the stairs we just came up. There's a hole in the wall. Yeah, you can see where the other building was, where they built it right on the end. And now it's gone. There's more stuff down there. A lot of it's gone now. Old phone ringer. I don't know if you can see it or not. I found this old door. It goes into, it goes down. Oh, it's all collapsed. Yeah, this whole thing's moving. There's a little bathroom over here. Oh yeah, there was. Huh, little sink. I don't trust any of this, it's all falling in. Let's see what's out here. Looking down at the factory, or the machine shop, I guess. A little catwalk out there. Yeah, no, I'm good. Looking out this door here. Look how beautiful that roof line is. I don't want to go down there. Because, I don't know, actually it doesn't look that bad at all, does it? Yeah, it's a little soft. Beautiful out here. And still even higher and higher into this place. You can see how high we are by looking at the other buildings over there. We're up a few stories. Elevator. Yeah, higher still. Let's go see what it's got to offer. Alright, so up here's all the machinery for those elevators we saw down below. Look at that. And that's not even the first floor. We are way up here right now. Oh, there's a bee right there. That's not dope. That is undope. It's a cool little elevator shack. Looks a little interesting piece of equipment, huh? All this machinery for the elevators, huh? Yeah, it's wicked hot in here. Alright, so yeah, this side's identical to the other side. Look at all this machinery though, huh? It's wild. These old rovers passed before. Get out that way? Yeah. Draining inside too. See it? Oh. Sounds peaceful though. But check it out closer. Right, heading back down. The old lighting though, huh? Old machinery. Gauges. Steam generator. And not the way out. Alright. I think this is going to conclude our trip. Rating. Right back down to where the train used to come through. Trucks used to come through here. Trains came through here. Oh, there's a crossing. No way, look at that. There's a flashing light for when the trucks come down. That is freaking cool. I didn't even see that before. You see it? Yeah. That's wild. Yeah, so you know when a train's coming in the building, with the old cobblestone or whatever underneath it. Alright. This is where I make my exit. I was gonna say entrance. This is where I make my exit. All shaky because my gimbal's still dead. Sorry about that. But thanks for watching. I didn't do an intro like usual, and I'll just do one later. So thanks for watching. Get out there and discover your world. You'll never know when you'll find beauty like this. Thanks for hanging out.